Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Iceberg lettuce often gets a bad rap, doesn't it? Many of us think it's just for a basic wedge salad or a garnish. But this crunchy green has more to offer than you might expect. It's a versatile, crisp base that works well in all sorts of salads. You'll find it can hold up to creamy dressings and hearty toppings without wilting. Let's look beyond the usual and see how iceberg lettuce can make your salads truly shine. Why iceberg lettuce deserves a spot in your salad bowl. Iceberg lettuce often gets dismissed as nutritionally inferior or just filler. But this humble green brings a lot more to the table than you might think. It's a fantastic foundation for many different salads, offering unique benefits that other greens just can't match. The crisp factor, unmatched texture. When you think about a good salad, what's one of the first things that comes to mind? For many, it's that satisfying crunch. This is where iceberg lettuce truly shines. Unlike a delicate spinach leaf or a tender spring mix, iceberg maintains its firm, crisp texture even after it's dressed. Imagine a salad that stays crunchy from the first bite to the last. Iceberg provides that delightful mouthfeel, giving your salad a satisfying structure. It doesn't wilt under creamy dressings or heavy toppings, making every forkful a refreshing experience. Mild flavor, maximum versatility. One of iceberg lettuce's greatest strengths is its neutral flavor. It doesn't overpower other ingredients, allowing the vibrant tastes of your vegetables, proteins, and dressings to truly stand out. This makes it incredibly adaptable for a wide variety of salad creations. Think about the possibilities. Savory combinations, pair it with grilled chicken, sharp cheeses, and a robust vinaigrette. Sweet and tangy mixes, it's a perfect base for salads featuring fruits, nuts, and lighter dressings. Its mild profile means you can experiment freely without worrying about clashing flavors. It's like a blank canvas, ready for your culinary artistry. Hydration and electrolytes, more than just water. There's a common misconception that iceberg lettuce offers little to no nutritional value. While it's true that some darker leafy greens pack more vitamins, iceberg is far from empty. It's mostly water, yes, but that's a good thing. Its high water content makes it incredibly hydrating, contributing to your daily fluid intake. Plus, it contains trace amounts of important minerals sometimes referred to as electrolytes, such like potassium. So, while it might not be a superfood power player, it still offers benefits that help keep you feeling refreshed and your body functioning well. Classic iceberg lettuce salad recipes reimagined. Iceberg lettuce has been a staple in kitchens for generations, and for good reason. Its crisp texture and mild flavor make it the perfect canvas for a variety of classic salads. We're talking about the kind of salads that bring back fond memories, yet still have room for fresh, new twists. Let's revisit some beloved iceberg lettuce recipes and discover how simple additions can elevate them from familiar to fantastic. The iconic wedge salad, a steakhouse staple. The wedge salad is a true classic, often found gracing the menus of steakhouses. It's simple, yet incredibly satisfying. A traditional wedge typically features a crisp quarter of iceberg lettuce, generously drizzled with creamy blue cheese dressing, crumbled bacon, and diced tomatoes. It's a symphony of textures and rich flavors. But why stop there? You can easily give this classic a fresh update. Consider adding a scattering of grilled corn kernels for a touch of sweetness and smoky flavor. Or, for a delightful crunch, sprinkle on some candied pecans. The sweet and salty combination works surprisingly well with the tart blue cheese. You might also try swapping out some of the blue cheese for a milder gorgonzola or even a sharp cheddar for a different flavor profile. Cobb salad, a symphony of flavors and textures. The Cobb salad is a masterpiece of layered ingredients, offering a delightful mix of flavors and textures in every bite. The classic version is packed with cooked chicken, ripe avocado, hard-boiled eggs, crispy bacon, sweet tomatoes, and tangy blue cheese, all arranged over a bed of crisp iceberg lettuce. It's hearty, colorful, and incredibly satisfying as a meal on its own. Thinking about a lighter take? A vegetarian cob can be just as delicious. Imagine adding roasted chickpeas for protein, slices of bell pepper for color, and perhaps some crumbling feta instead of blue cheese. If you love seafood, a seafood cob is a fantastic choice. Try topping your salad with grilled shrimp, flaked crab meat, or even smoked salmon. A lemon herb vinaigrette would complement these flavors beautifully. Simple green salad with vinaigrette, everyday freshness. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. A basic green salad with iceberg lettuce and a well-made vinaigrette is a testament to this. It highlights the refreshing crispness of the lettuce. The key here is focusing on fresh, high-quality ingredients and a homemade vinaigrette that balances tang, oil, and seasoning perfectly. To elevate this humble salad, think about subtle additions that contribute crispness or bright flavor. Thinly sliced radishes add a peppery bite and beautiful color. Sliced cucumbers bring an extra layer of cool crunch. Don't be afraid to experiment with your vinaigrette, perhaps adding some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill for an aromatic touch. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice always brightens things up. It's about letting the natural freshness of the ingredients shine through. Creative iceberg lettuce salad combinations. Iceberg lettuce is a true chameleon in the kitchen. It can take on various flavors and textures. We often think of it for classic salads, but it's fantastic for pushing boundaries. Let's explore some exciting, untraditional ways to use this crisp gem. Are you ready to discover new favorites? That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.